Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your account region on Battle.net. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. First of all, you want to go to your Battle.net and make sure you're connected to the account you want to change region on. And then you're going to click this arrow button menu bar and you're going to click on support option. Then you will be redirected to your browser and you will be connected on your account. And after that, you want to go ahead and on support, you want to click account. After that, you want to scroll down until you will see change account details at the bottom. It may be a little bit different for you. So you can just go ahead and write down change region, and then you will see Battle.net account country/region change. Click on it. And here you're gonna read that, and after that you will see that you can change the region on Battle.net using country change self-service. So you want to get help there. And after that, you're gonna click continue. Now you will need to do identity verification. So enter your phone number associated with your account. Now, once you will enter that identity verification, you're gonna have this proof of residency. You will need to attach this file. So proof of residency is actually your utility bill or something like that you are paying it in that specific country. Then you're gonna enter the description. So you're gonna enter your problem here. And again, you can go ahead and attach some file if you want to, and then you're gonna submit it and they will basically contact you via email. So that's pretty much it, how you can do this. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.